Infinite Beacon Financial Services, fake or real? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're examining Infinite Beacon Financial Services to determine its legitimacy. Now, the concerns raised are their potential Ponzi scheme. Some sources suggest that Infinite Beacon might be operating a Ponzi scheme. They also have legal actions. The company has reported issues legal notices to individuals investigating its practices. Regulatory listing. The Bombay Stock Exchange has listed Infinite Beacon under applications based on investor complaint. Now, the company's position, Infinite Beacon claims to be registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit or FIU. Now, in my conclusion, given the mixed information, it's crucial to exercise caution. Thoroughly research and consult financial advisors before engaging with Infinite Beacon Financial Services. But as of the moment, Infinite Beacons has been in a lot of controversies in the past few months. So just go ahead and watch out for Infinite Beacon because most likely they are a fake service. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.